Hey, this is Fred Van Allen Associates with First Team Real Estate. Welcome to my open house. Today at 337 Lincoln in Lincoln Park Historic District. We have a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, portico share, oversized 2-car garage, 2,700 square foot plus house, 7,200 square foot lot, large basement, chef's kitchen, downstairs bath, basement down there. We're not going down there. Very, very large family room and indoor laundry, dual air/heating. Let's go upstairs. Little alcove to the living room. Upstairs we go. Little sitting area on the landing. Dual pane windows throughout the house. Original floors throughout the house. Some carpeting on the stairs. Wonderful, wonderful built-ins in the upstairs landing. And here's one bedroom. Still has the picture rails. Another bedroom that's been turned into a closet. The large bedroom, and it is quite large. Oversized bed, oversized furniture, and some built-ins. Full bath. And last of all, we'll finish up here with the 4th bedroom. This is Fred Van Allen, First Team Real Estate. If I can help you buy or sell a house, I'd love to help you. 909-261-9711, www.fredvanallen.com or fredvanallen@firstteam.com email. Thank you so much.